Welcome friends to Python Programming by Amaresh. Before starting the video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified to my latest video. Also please hit the like button which will inspire me. So we will learn some built-in string manipulation methods. For today we will learn capitalize and isalnum method. Let's start. First, capitalize method. Capitalize method returns a copy of the string with its first character capitalized. Let assign a variable a, with a string whose all characters are in small case. Say Python. Then we apply the capitalize method. See, Python gives the output with first character of Python being capitalized. Second, isalnum method. Isalnum method returns true if the characters in the given string are alphanumeric, that is alphabets or numbers, and there is at least one character. Otherwise it will return false. Let assign a variable with string Python 3. Then apply the isalnum method. See, Python returns the output true. Another time, let assign a variable with string of only white space. Then apply the isalnum method. See, Python returns the output false. That's all for today. Thank you. This is Amaresh Biswal signing off.